Here is our third story. The story name is The Rabbit's Nose. Binky was a rabbit with a very large, bright pink nose. His friends often made fun of his nose, but Pinky always said, I am sure it will be useful someday. One day, all the rabbits were playing in a field when Binky Pink Nose started to twitch. He could smell danger. He warned the others, and they all quickly ran into their burrows. Just as Binky ran into his own burrow, he saw a huge tiger pounce at him. He jumped in safely, and the tiger went away after a while empty handed. Thus, Pinky's nose had saved the rabbits. This is our rabbit. The name is Pinky, and this is the tiger. Okay, friends. Bye bye.